Hello friends, today we are gonna solve problems based on electricity chapter class 10 NCERT syllabus KSWE board. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon button also to receive further notifications.
So let's start the question. So first thing, it is given that we need to observe the following figure. If the total resistance of the given circuit is 20 ohms, then calculate the resistance of the resistor X and current flowing through the circuit. So we need to calculate this X. So let's observe the given figure. The given figure says that there is a battery of 6 volts and there are 4 resistors R1, R2, R3 and R4. R1 is 10 ohms, R2 is X, R3 is 25 and R4 is 75. So we need to find this X where your total resistance is given as 20 ohms. And so when these two are connected in series and these two are connected in parallel, so let's start with the answer. Answer is that first thing the given data is R1 is equals to 10, R2 is equals to X, and then R3 is equals to 25 and R4 is equals to 75. These are in ohms. So and total capital R, that is your total resistance, is equals to 20. So we know that when the resistors are connected in parallel, we substitute 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And so when these two are in parallel condition, so we need to apply this particular condition over here. So 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus R2, because R1 and R2 are in series and R3 and R4 are in series, whereas R1, R2 is in parallel with R3, R4. So 1 by R1 plus R2 plus of 1 by R3 plus R4. We know that the total resistance R is equals to 20 ohms, and then R1 is 10, R2 is X, that is what we need to find out. R3 is 25, R4 is 75. So let's substitute the values, and then we know that 25 plus 75 is equals to 100, and so this when we need to know this value, we need to transfer this part towards the other side. So we get 1 by 20 minus of 1 by 100 is equals to 1 by 10 plus X. X is what we need to find out. So by doing LCM over here, we need to multiply here into 5 and the numerator also into 5. So we get 5 minus 1 by 100 is equals to 1 by 10 plus X. So 5 minus 1 is nothing but equals to 4. It is so 4 by 100. 4 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 is equals to 1 by 10 plus X. When 25 goes on the other side and then 10 goes on the other side, you get 10 plus X is equals to 25. So your X is equals to 25 minus of 10. So your X value is nothing but 15. So we finally found out that R2, which is equals to X, is equals to 15 ohms. And the next part of the question, they had given us to find out the current flowing through the circuit. So the second part of the question was given as current flowing through the circuit. They asked us to find out the current flowing through the entire circuit. So we know that the formula V is equals to IR to find out the current. This is what the formula is for finding out the current. So let's solve. V is equals to IR. We know that V is given as 6 volts in the question itself, and R is given as 20 ohms, which is also given in the question. We just need to find out I. So I is nothing but V by R. And so I is equals to 6 by 20, which is nothing but 0.3 amps. So you get the total current flowing through the circuit as 0.3 amps. So we found out the X value, that is nothing but your R2 value as 15, and then current value, that is your I, which is nothing but 0.3 amperes. Thank you guys.